Good morning, Cambridge. Welcome back to another day of TI reading. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. We are going to be doing lesson 82 today. But before we start lesson 82, we are going to quickly review the new vocabulary sentence that we learned. Okay, you don't have to go ahead and look for it in your book. You can look at it on the screen. If you want to look at it in your book, you can click pause. Look for the page in your book. It's page 387, and when you're there, you can click play. And like I said, you don't have to do that. Okay, let's go ahead and look at sentence 21. The adults huddled around the fire. Say that sentence. Get ready. Yes, the adults huddled around the fire. Everybody, what word tells that the adults crowded together? Get ready. Yes, huddled. And what's another word for grown-ups? Get ready. Yes, adults. Say the sentence with me. Get ready. The adults huddled around the fire. Awesome. Now we can go and look for lesson 82, which is page 248. You can go ahead and click pause. While you look for page 248, when you are there, click play so you can resume your lesson. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So everyone pointing to word 1, column 1. Word 1 is figure. What word? Yes, figure. Spell figure. Get ready. Word 2 is early. What word? Yes, early. Spell early. Get ready. Word 3 is opposite. What word? Yes, opposite. Spell opposite. Get ready. Word 4 is 12. What word? Yes, 12. Spell 12. Get ready. Word 5 is huddled. What word? Yes, huddled. Spell it. Get ready. Let's read those words again the fast way. Word 1. What word? Yes, figure. 2. What word? Yes, early. 3. What word? Yes, opposite. 4. What word? Yes, 12. 5. What word? Yes, huddled. Find column 2. Word 1. What word? Yes, expression. 2. What word? Yes, adventure. 3. What word? Yes, immediately. 4. What word? Yes, objected. 5. What word? Yes, chariot. Go to column 3. Word 1. What word? Yes, cave. A cave is a hole in the ground that is big enough for people or animals to go into. Everybody, what do we call a hole in the ground that is big enough for people or animals to go into? Get ready. Yes, a cave. Word 2. What word? Yes, buffalo. 3. What word? Yes, 80. 4. What word? Yes, adults. 5. What word? Yes, ashes. Okay? Now, before we go to part B, I am going to go over some facts that you have learned this year so far. Okay? So all of the facts that I'm going to ask you questions for, we already learned. You might not remember all of them. That is perfectly fine. If you don't, that's fine. We're still going to go over the answer. Okay? So, I'm going to show you the question, cover the answer, then uncover the answer. How many centimeters are in a meter? Get ready. Yes, 100. How many legs does an insect have? Get ready. Yes, 6. How many legs does a spider have? Get ready. Yes, 8. What country do we live in? Get ready. Yes, the United States. How does ocean water taste like? Get ready. Yes, salty. Tiny drops of water in the morning are called, what are they called? Get ready. Yes, dew. Does dew form in the middle of the day? Get ready. No, it doesn't. Does an orange weigh more than a gram or less than a gram? Think big. We're talking about an orange. More or less than a gram? Get ready. Right. More than a gram. Does a spider weigh more than a gram or less than a gram? A spider. Get ready. Right. Less than a gram. How much does a short pencil weigh? Short pencil. Get ready. 2 grams. That's right. 2 grams. And like I said, if you don't remember, that's perfectly fine. We're just reviewing some facts. How many feet are in 1 mile? Get ready. Yes, 5,000 feet are in 1 mile. How far is it from New York City to San Francisco? Get ready. 2,500 miles. So remember, New York City is like on this side, and then travel all the way down until you get to San Francisco, 2,500 miles. And how far is it from San Francisco to Japan? Let's say that San Francisco is somewhere here. You cross the Pacific Ocean until you get to Japan. How far is that? Get ready. Yes, 5,000 miles. Let's talk about the word per. Let's say a car goes 40 miles per hour. Tell me how far that car goes in 1 hour. Now think big. It's going 40 miles per hour. Remember, another word for per is each. So 40 miles each hour. Tell me how far that car goes in 1 hour. Get ready. Yes, 40 miles. 40 miles. Okay. How does ocean water taste? Get ready. Yes, salty. Tell if flies change size on the inside or on the outside. Think about it. I'm going to go ahead and connect my charger, okay? Whoops. There it is. Okay, what's the answer? Get ready. Yes, on the inside. Remember, a fly's body is like a shell. That's always the same size. The only thing that keeps growing is its body inside. All right? Good. Next one. The room went from, let's talk about temperature. Let's say that your room went from 70 degrees to 65 degrees. Did the temperature go up or go down? Get ready. Yes, it went down. How long does it take to go from New York City to San Francisco? How much time? Not miles, time. How much time? Get ready. 6 hours. 6 hours it takes to go from New York City to San Francisco. Now, let me go over the directions we have learned in class. North, east, south, west. North, east, south, west. And remember, we learned never eat sour watermelon. In which direction do you fly to get from San Francisco to Japan? Let's say San Francisco is right here. You have to go this way. Get to Japan. What direction? Get ready. Yes, west. How many states are in the United States? Get ready. Yes, 50. What's the biggest state in the United States? Get ready. Alaska. Let's say you are outside when the temperature is 45 degrees. Tell me what the temperature inside your body is. Get ready. Yes, 98 degrees. Remember, your body temperature does not change. It always stays 98 degrees. Now, let's say a fly is outside when the temperature is 45 degrees. Tell me what the temperature is inside the fly's body. Remember, a fly is cold-blooded, so it changes temperature. If it's 45 degrees outside, what's that fly's body temperature going to change to? Get ready? Yes, 45 degrees. And we have been talking about Troy. Tell me when the story of Troy took place. About how many years ago? Get ready? Yes, 3,000 years ago. Those were a lot of facts. Okay, I'm going to put this to the side, and now we can go ahead and move to part B of our book. So we're on page 248. Everybody, we're going to go ahead and read a new story. You're going to read this story to yourself first. When you are done, I'm going to read it to you. So click pause and read it on your own. When you're done, come back so I can read it to you. Go. Okay, now that you're back, it's my turn to read the story to you and ask you some questions. So, listen big and track. Clues from thousands of years ago. Again, clues from thousands of years ago. You're tracking. Look at the timeline. It goes all the way back 80,000 years. Touch the dot on the line that shows the war between Greece and Troy. Stop right there. Everybody, do it. Get ready. So you're touching the dot on the timeline that talks about the war between Troy and Greece, which is this one. It's right there. All right, you can keep one of your fingers there while the other one's tracking. Next sentence. Touch the dot that shows things that happened 40,000 years ago. Stop right there. Everybody, do it. Get ready. It's the one that says 40,000 years ago, that one right there. Is that dot near the top, near the bottom, or in the middle? Get ready. Yes, in the middle. Next sentence. Touch the dot that shows things that happened 80,000 years ago. Stop right there. Everybody, do it. Get ready. You're touching the last dot on that timeline. Where is that dot? Get ready. Yes, it's at the bottom of the line. How far is it from the war between Greece and Troy? Get ready. Yes, it's very far. Let's turn the page. We're at the top of page 250. As I read, you track. The world was very different 80,000 years ago. People didn't live the way they lived during the War of Troy. The people who lived 80,000 years ago did not have chariots. They did not ride horses. They did not live in houses. They did not have bows and arrows. They did not have shields. They did not have books. They did not have cities. They did not live in cities. There you go, I corrected myself. Stop right there. Name some other things that they did not have or did not do. Can you think of any? Get ready. If you possibly said they didn't go to the movies, they didn't have telephones, they didn't have iPads, no tablets, nothing. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Those are just some ideas, okay? Just so we can get an idea of how long ago that was. Keep tracking as I read. Nobody who is alive today saw these people or talked to them or watched them. So how do we know anything about them? Stop right there. Do you have any ideas? If you do, say them. Get ready. Well, they left clues. Let's read more. You're tracking. We know about these people because they left clues. The clues tell us about what they ate and where they lived and what they did. Some clues also tell us where they died and how they died. Stop right there. If they lived 80,000 years ago and left clues, these clues must be things that would last for a long time. Name some clues that might last 80,000 years. Can you think of any? Get ready. Possibly some bones, some teeth, some tools. Those could be some clues. Keep tracking. When you eat a big meal, you do not eat everything. You throw away some things. Let's say that you eat chicken. What parts would you throw away? Stop right there. Name some. Get ready. Yes, probably the bones. Keep tracking. Some parts of the chicken that are thrown away may last a long, long time. Stop right there. What parts might last a long time? Get ready. Yes, the bones. Keep tracking. Chicken bones may be a clue that somebody ate chicken. What kind of clue could tell you that somebody ate a coconut? Get ready. Yes, the shells. We're at the top of the next page. Tracking, get ready. What kind of clue could tell you that somebody ate part of a very large animal? Stop right there. What's the answer? Get ready. Yes, the bones. So one of the best places to look for clues about people and how they lived is their garbage pile. Stop right there. Everybody, what's a good place to look for clues? Get ready. Yes, a garbage pile. What clues would you find in a garbage pile? Get ready. Possibly bones, shells, clues about what people ate. Keep tracking. Some garbage piles left by people who lived 80,000 years ago are in caves. Stop right there. Everybody, where are these garbage piles? Get ready. Yes, in caves. Keep tracking. If we find garbage piles in caves, we have a clue about where the people ate. Where did they eat? Everybody, what's the answer? Get ready. Yes, in caves. Keep tracking. The bones in these garbage piles do not have marks from the teeth of dogs. What does that tell us about the people who lived 80,000 years ago? Stop right there. Everybody, what's the answer? Get ready. Right, they didn't have dogs. Keep tracking. The garbage piles of people who lived only 8,000 years ago are different. Some bones in these garbage piles have marks from dogs' teeth. Stop right there. Everybody, what made the marks on the bones? Get ready. Yes, dog's teeth. Keep tracking. What does that tell us about these people? Boys and girls, what's the answer? Get ready. Yes, they had dogs. Did people live with dogs 80,000 years ago? Get ready. No. When did people live with dogs? Get ready. Yes, 8,000 years ago. How do we know that people did not live with dogs 80,000 years ago? Think about the garbage bones. Get ready. Right, because the bones in their garbage piles did not have dogs' teeth marks on them. Keep tracking. Sometimes, garbage piles tell us about how animals were killed. Let's say that we found bones of a large animal like a buffalo. Let's say that these bones were broken in many places. An animal like a buffalo might get many broken bones falling from a high place. Maybe the people who hunted these large animals chased them to a cliff and then made them run off the cliff. Everybody, look at the picture on the next page. Everybody turn the page. Look at that picture. It shows buffaloes, a cliff and a cave. Touch a buffalo. Get ready. Could be any of these. Now touch the cliff. Get ready. There it is. Now touch the cave. Get ready. It's right here. That black thing. It's dark. Now, let me read this part again while you look at the picture. Let's say that we found bones of large animals like a buffalo. Let's say that these bones were broken in many places. An animal like a buffalo might get many broken bones falling from a high place. Maybe the people who hunted these large animals chased them to a cliff and then made them run off the cliff. How could the people have killed the buffaloes? How, boys and girls? What might they have done in order for them to fall off that cliff? Think big. Get ready? Yes, chasing them off to a cliff and making them run off it. What would give us a clue that the buffaloes might have been killed in this way? Get ready? Yes, piles of buffalo bones at the bottom of cliffs. Everybody, would the bones of a mouse be broken if it fell off the cliff? Get ready? No. Why not? Get ready? Right, because small things don't hurt themselves when they fall from high places. We're at the bottom of the picture. You're tracking as I read. Another thing we can tell from the garbage is how the people who lived in caves fixed their food. If they made fires, some clues would be left behind. Can you think of some? Stop right there. Name some clues, boys and girls, of how we would have found out if they made fires. Get ready? Maybe some smoke marks, ashes, some burnt wood. Those are some examples. Keep tracking. Let's say we do not find any rocks with smoke and heat marks on them, and we do not find any ashes, and we're on the top of the next page, do not find any burn marks on bones. These clues tell us something about how the people ate their food. Stop right there. What does it tell you? Get ready. Right. If we don't find any ashes, any smokes, clues, that means they didn't cook their food. What clues would tell you that food had been cooked? Get ready. Yes, rocks with smoke and heat marks, ashes, Burn marks on bones? Something, right? Okay, let's finish the story you're tracking. If we look at a garbage pile in a cave that people have used for hundreds of years, we can tell how things changed. We can tell if the people began to eat different things. Let's say we find that some of the garbage in a pile was not cooked. These things are near the bottom of the garbage pile. Let's say the things near the top of the pile were cooked. By looking at the pile, we can tell that people who lived in the cave first did not cook their food. They ate things raw. The people who lived in the same cave many, many years later began to cook food. In the next story, you'll learn the rule for getting clues from a pile. More next time. There are 17 questions in your textbook, okay? On page 253, 254, 255, and 256. And you're also going to be doing your workbook. Don't forget to post or send me a picture of your work for a daily grade. Thank you and have a wonderful Thursday. Bye, Cambridge.